Creating a Zapier integration, known as a Zap, allows you to automate tasks between different apps and services. Here's how to create a Zapier integration effectively. Start a new Zap. Log into your Zapier account and click on Make a Zap to begin setting up your integration. Choose Trigger App. Select the app or service that will initiate the action, known as the Trigger App. This could be Gmail, Slack, Shopify, or any other supported app. Set up Trigger Event. Define a specific event within the Trigger app that will start the automation process. For example, new email received, new order created, or new form submission. Connect Trigger app. Authenticate and connect your account for the Trigger app to Zapier. Follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions. Choose Action app. Select the app or service where you want to perform actions based on the Trigger event. This could be your CRM, project management tool, Google Sheets, etc. Set up Action event. Specify what action should occur in the Action app when the Trigger event happens. For instance, create a new contact, update a record, send an email, etc. Map data fields. Map the data fields from the Trigger app to the corresponding fields in the Action app. Ensure data is correctly mapped for accurate automation. Test and activate. Test your integration to ensure everything functions as expected. Once satisfied, activate your Zap to start automating tasks based on the defined triggers and actions.